How to open Mdisk link in Telegram. Are you wondering how to open an Mdisk link in Telegram? This quick tutorial will guide you through the process in just a few simple steps, so let's dive in. First, locate the Mdisk link you received, tap and hold the link and then select copy. Launch the Telegram app on your device, then navigate to the chat where you want to share or open the Mdisk link. In the chat box, tap and hold, then select paste to input the link. Press send to share it in the chat. Tap the Mdisk link in Telegram and the link will redirect you to the Mdisk link platform in your default browser or app. If the link requires login credentials, sign into your Mdisk link account, and once logged in, you'll access the content directly. Opening an Mdisk link in Telegram is as simple as copying, pasting and tapping the link. Try it out and enjoy seamless access to your content. Thanks for watching.